Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy vanilla ice cream. All the ice cream recipes that I've given in the past needed to be heated over the stove, and then you have to wait 6 hours for it to cool. This one doesn't need to be heated over the stove, so it's a really easy recipe. So let's get started. So you'll need an ice cream machine for this recipe. If you don't have an ice cream machine, I have a video on my channel showing how to make ice cream without one, and I'll link to that video in the description box. So turn on the ice cream machine, and then add in the half and half. Half and half is just half milk and half heavy cream, and you can substitute it for that if you like. Then add in the sugar, milk, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and salt, and churn the mixture for 30 to 45 minutes. Then once it's done, pour it into a large container, cover it up, and let it freeze for at least 6 hours before serving it. And that's how to make easy vanilla ice cream. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.